Thank you so much. I want to appreciate the male parents. Please stand up for recognition. The fathers, right? This is gonna be a long holiday. Our learners will return here on 2nd February. That is quite something. And me as an inspector, like I said, I work with children. I love to work with children. Why do I love to work with children? You know, when you become an adult, usually you're harder to deal with. When you become an adult, you know, the kind of, there's hypocrisy, you lie, you pretend, you smile while behind the smiles, you know, there is hate, isn't it? You've laughed with people, but yet they hate you, right? Right? But why do I love to work with the young children? For them, they are free. They have the free spirits. And whatever they express is the right and the truth. That's why I love to work with the children. So please, my dear parents, protect our children, okay? Protect our children, feed them well, okay? Ensure that they help out with the several occasions. My name is Winnie Biligenda. It is Dr. Notes.
Oh yes, that one. It is okay. We shall be there.
Nalugo Winnie Biligenda is my name. I work with Mukono Municipal Council as an inspector of schools in charge of Goma Division. As a municipality, we have 2 divisions. We have Central Division and Goma Division. In Goma, we have 5 wards. We have Bukerere, we have Nyenje, we have Seta, we have Nantabulira, and we have Misinge. So Goma is quite a big chunk of land, and we have so many schools. And what do I do as an inspector? I do inspect schools, nursery, primary, secondary schools, mainly to enforce standards in schools. So wherever there is a child, it is my mandate to go there. CEO and director, if Dream Africa did not have any child, I would not be here, trust me. But I'm here because you have our children here. So those little ones, I call them my bosses. Wherever they go, I have to follow them up. I need to check out where they sit, what kind of food they're being given, the kind of teachers that stand before them. I look at the furniture, I look at the sanitary facilities, I look at the preparations of the teachers. Basically, it is education standards. We want to ensure that what our learners get is quality, because we are preparing the people who will sit in offices when for us we are retired. So basically, that is why I am here. Hello everyone. Using Uganda. Thank you for helping. You know, your helpers of the government. The government cannot provide education for all our children. But when you come in as a private sector, we really enjoy it and we love it. So we applaud you, and we really we are here to support you. We appreciate all your efforts. Thank you and thank you. And when I looked at our learners here, like you said, we have those that come from within, near Seta. We have, he said, those from Lugazi, right? Ginger, in Sudan. Did you say Sudan? Yes. So all Africa. Indeed, this is a dream of Africa. Thank you so much for helping out. Everyone, whether it's a Ugandan, Indian, Somali, Sudanese, and we believe in that. That's why in all the branches, we have most of the communities, whether it's Pakistanis, Indians, Sudanese, Congolese, and many more. Anyway, Ugandans are in majority, and our parents trust on us, and they are from very, very far places, even from Kalangala and all, they send the inquiries. So, thank you for trusting in Dream Africa School. SETA, as this is a new schools in terms of the structure, we always plan to grow this in various ways. Whether it's academic, which you have seen how our students were presenting from nursery up to primary and upper.
Learning is there together with the fun. They enjoy. And as a mother, for me, all children are mine. It is not yours. When they are inside the school, they are mine. And yes, it is a long day. I understand. But thanks again, each one of you, those who have shown your presence here. And as we are closing the term, and we have to keep our children safe and give them books to study. Also, as we are going to work on the next term, there will be lots of things which you will see in the new term with terms of the structure, academic supervision and all. My teammates have lots of share, the time is less. Even I have lot to share, but the time is less. I only want to tell you thank you from the bottom.
Okay, let's take a pic together. Let's smile.
Smile. Smile.
Good evening. My name is Hardik Dudela. I am a parent of Mr. Dars and Kushi. I have two kids who is getting education P1. So today is best day for them. Going to the primary one. I would like to thank you, the management of the Dream Africa School SETA and the teachers who have guided, supported and shaped in good shape to the kids with the love, commitment. Thank you very much.
Okay.
My name is Aina Maria Annette, the head teacher Dream Africa School Center. I want to take this honor to appreciate every parent that has been on this great function. I am sure that everybody has enjoyed. Yeah, with the Dream Africa School, we are looking forward, and what we do exactly is to train a child to rhyme with the 21st century and beyond. And I request all the parents to choose Dream Africa School for the fact that we provide exceptional education, we instill faith in these learners, and we also have an inspiring environment that one should not miss. Yeah, and I have a message that I'm giving to our dear parents. We are taking our learners to holidays. We are giving them to you in your hands. We request that you guard them. Give all the help. Engage them in home tasks and make sure they are not idle. As parents, we are in the season of politics. I request that if you can, stay home, guard your vote, and at the time of polling, poll wisely and make sure you are not engaged in any other political incidences that may make you lose your life. Please guard yourself, and we love you. We want to have you next year in Dream Africa School Center. Get more friends, and we are ready and committed to serve you. Take care of our children, and we also continue to pray for each other as one team. May God bless you.
Nishra, I'm the director, founder of these schools, Dream Africa Schools. So we were talking about the holistic child, a child who is all-round, develops all the traits of learning, exhibits all kinds of intelligence. You see, intelligence is not only in academics but also in co-curricular, whether the child is able to communicate, whether the child is able to exhibit confidence, whether the child is able to showcase his skills in music, dance, drama, debating, sports. It's very important that a child not only his growth is not one-sided, right? We're talking about a balanced growth of children, and we are in 21st century. In 21st century, you need a child who is ready for the world. You know, you can't have schools where we are teaching things of yesterday and we prepare them for tomorrow. At Dream Africa schools, we are preparing them for tomorrow and a world which is rapidly changing. And in the rapidly changing world, we need these skills, and these are very, very critical skills, right? And these are called what we call 21st century skills. So we are preparing our children for tomorrow. So academics is one aspect of learning. Our children, of course, produce fantastic results as far as PL is concerned. But beyond that, how are they excelling in the real world? And that is what is more important, right? And if you look at the opportunities in Africa, in Uganda, we need children and youth who are ready for tomorrow, and that's what not only his growth is not one-sided, right? We're talking about the balanced growth of children, and we are in 21st century. In 21st century, you need a child who is ready for the world. You know, you can't have schools where we are teaching things of yesterday and we prepare them for tomorrow. At Dream Africa schools, we are preparing them for tomorrow and a world which is rapidly changing. And in the rapidly changing world, we need these skills, and these are very, very critical skills, right? And these are called what we call 21st century skills. So we are preparing our children for tomorrow. So academics is one aspect of learning. Our children, of course, produce fantastic results as far as PhD is concerned. But beyond that, how are they excelling in the real world? And that is what is more important, right? And if you look at the opportunities in Africa, opportunities in Uganda, we need children and youth who are ready for tomorrow, and that's what we are doing by putting a solid foundation in the overall development of the children.
My name is Nidhi, Chief Executive Officer, Dream Africa School Network. Today we are in SETA campus, and it was a speech day, and children are breaking for their holidays. And it's a very long holidays. The school is going to open in February, so it is approx 2 months of holidays. So I request parents to keep our children safe at home. They should not be in contact of too much of gadgets, because it is harmful in terms of their health. So books in the market that they can study, and the moral in those books are wonderful. They will learn. Secondly, we are having lots of writing books in our own school. If you want, you can give them the writing books. They can write. They can improve their handwritings. But yes, the holiday season is on. Keep them safe. Keep them watching what they are doing. And thank you so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Abazadde wa Dream Africa School. Najoininga essomero lino in 2010. Najoininga Dream Africa School in 2010. Omwana wange yasomera na senior 5. Essomero ddungi, abasomesa balungi. Tebayigiriza abaana bya kusoma byokka, babayigiriza n'empisa n'ebyomwoyo. Na Proverbs engero zitugamba nti manyiza omwana ekkuba eddungi ly'alima okutambuliramu. Newankubadde ng'akuze tajja that train up a child the way he should go, and when he's old he will not depart from it. I'm proud of Dream Africa School because the children who have left empisa balina nnungi, bwe babeera ku mirimu bakola bulungi, ate ne skills ze bafunye wano zibayambye okweyimirizaawo. Omwana wange nze yasoma welding, ali mu senior 5 naye bw'akoma mu holiday agenda n'akola welding. Ekyo kimuyamba nti afunayo pocket money. Ekyo kituyamba nti omwana bw'aba alina skill asobola okweyimirizaawo n'atakalubiriza muzadde nti pocket money. Essomero liyambye abaana okutraininga abaana okubeera job creators but not job seekers. Bo bennyini beekuyetingirawo emirimu. Balina skills nyingi, bakola bakery, balina computer, tulabye dance and drama wano, bakola bulungi. Olwekyo nsanyuse nnyo olw'abasomesa, abazadde n'abaana kubanga basaayo omutima okulaba nga basoma bulungi. Neebaza nnyo.
I'm actually a parent in Dream Africa School. Here I have 2 children. One is already in P3, going to P4. Another one already in P6, going to P7. I'm really happy that this school has been able to enable children to study well and that they are really excelling. But now that the children are coming back for holidays and are going home, we expect that the parents will be able to take care of their children. This is a very volatile period where we have so much campaigns. You expect that there may be some bit of tear gas in Kampala and they end up being knocked by busy cars on the way. Let's just pray that God will take them through. Please guide your children, let them come back next time, strong, healthy, and ready to begin the new term. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Dr I am a parent of Mr. Darsh and Kushi. I have 2 kids who is getting achievements P1. So today is best day for them. Going to the primary one. I would like to thank you the management of the Dream Africa School SETA and the teachers who have guided, supported and shaped in good shape to the kids with the love, commitment. Thank you very much.
Okay.
As we close the chapter, I have one plea. Guard the holiday. The children will have their holiday packages. Please make sure those packages are actually opened and not just used as expensive coasters. encourage them to read, help out at home, and let's all agree that idleness is not a life born. Let's protect our children, support them, and ensure that when they return in 2026, they are rested, refreshed, and perhaps they have forgotten that the head teacher tells them terrible jokes. The school remains absolutely committed to improving. We plan to strengthen our programs, improve the
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes. Now, they were just...
Dream Africa School Center, congratulations, top class 2025. With all power vested in me by the proprietors of this school, I declare and commission Primary 1 2026. Thank you so much, parents. Thank you so much, our learners. We all expect you next year, 2026 in Primary 1, right? Yes.
Next is about Maria Gone. Anyway, Alan, be preparing the cake. Our dear parents. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Thank you. Congratulations, Dr. Thank you so much. Congratulations. You got your reason to celebrate. So now my top class. Wow. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations, you got to
Yeah, and also encourage your friends, your colleagues in the classroom, that they also give you good competition, because having competition is good. Okay, so congratulations on the parents for their achievement, and I'm happy to give a big smile for a good picture. Thank you so much.
All right, a hand clap to these young ones and a good pick. Thank you.
And we are always a step ahead.
Yes.
Why you should respect to bring your students here. Just feel